Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about one of the most important components in modern electronics, the integrated circuits, or simply the IC. You can think of an IC as a tiny brain that controls and manages the flow of signal in almost every device we use today. So what exactly is an integrated circuit? An IC is a miniature electronic circuit that contains many tiny components such as transistors, resistors, capacitors, and diodes, all built together inside a small chip. Instead of using separate components on a big circuit board, the IC combines everything into one compact package. This makes device smaller, faster, more reliable, and much more efficient. There are several types of IC, and each one has a different purpose. The first type is the digital IC. Digital IC understands only two states, on or off, 1 or 0. They form the foundation of computers, calculation, smartphone, timers, and logic system. Example of digital ICs include logic gates like an OR and NOT, as well as timers like the famous 555 timer. The second type is the analog IC. Unlike digital IC, analog IC deal with a signal that vary continuously like sound, sensor readings, or radio wave. A common example is the operation amplifier, or op-amp, used to boost audio signal as sensor signals or control circuits. And then we have mixed signal IC which combine both analog and digital function. This include ADCs, DACs, sensor chip, and component unification chip. They play a huge role in converting real-world signal into digital data that computers can understand. Now let's talk about where IC are used. Honestly, everywhere: your phone, your TV, your car, your washing machine, your remote control, even your digital watch, all of them use ICs. Modern technology simply cannot exist without integrated circuits. How do we read an IC? Every IC has a small marking to indicate pin 1. It might be a tiny dot, a notch, or a small line from pin 1. The pins are counted counterclockwise around the chip. To understand what each pin does, we refer to the datasheet. The datasheet tells you the voltage, pin function, its internal structure, and how to use the IC in your circuit. If you hear someone say IC ni rosak, it usually means the tiny internal component have failed. And because everything is sealed inside, we normally replace the whole IC instead of repairing it. So in summary, the integrated circuit is one of the greatest inventions in electronics. It made computers possible. It made smartphones possible. It made modern life possible. A small chip with a huge impact. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy learning electronics, don't forget to follow the next lesson. Bye.